Guys, never ever pull fire alarms in public buildings without a fire or without authorization to. You can't do that. That is against the law. The reason why it's against the law is because pulling fire alarms for fun puts people's lives in danger. If you are 18 and older, like I am today, and you pull that alarm for fun, you are definitely going to get arrested because it is not a toy. If you are 17 and under, you are not going to get arrested for pulling the fire alarm. All you are going to get is a fine. If you pull the fire alarm for fun at school, you are going to get suspended and expelled from school. And if you pull the fire alarm for fun at your job, you are going to get fired from your job. Because no one will want to hire you if you pull fire alarms for fun, or if you tamper with fire alarm equipment. So from now on, if I were to ever pull the fire alarm for fun, I would be locked up in prison. Because I am old enough to know I am not supposed to be doing that kind of stuff. I have been told this for years, that pulling fire alarms without a fire or without authorization is a very serious felony and can get me into a lot of trouble. So, I didn't do this and I never will because I am smart. I am not stupid. I know this stuff. If any of you don't know better not to pull fire alarms for fun, you better grow up. Or else you are going to get arrested one of these days for pulling the alarm for fun. The consequences for pulling the fire alarm when there is no fire or without authorization are so severe that you shouldn't do it. Bye.